Hey everyone, this is Van from Aorus, and today we're going to take a look at the brand new B550 Aorus Pro gaming motherboard. In this video, we'll go over the design of this motherboard, discuss some of the cutting edge features, and then we'll talk about who this board is meant for. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Our new B550 platform is designed to bring flagship level features to the mainstream audience for a very affordable price point. The B550 Aorus Pro supports features such as PCIe Gen 4, which gives your PC extra performance, bandwidth, and speed. In addition to this, the motherboard delivers unprecedented value while offering a next-generation VRM layout, improved VRM cooling, and it offers seamless compatibility with the latest Ryzen CPUs. Compared to the last generation, the B550 Aorus Pro features plenty of improvements across the board. This makes it a great option for those who are in the market for a B550 motherboard. For $179.99, this is the best mid-range motherboard that you can buy on the market. The first feature I want to go over for the B550 Aorus Pro is the ultimate power design. The B550 Aorus Pro is equipped with a true 12+2 digital VRM design. Each phase is capable of delivering up to 50 amps of power, and this is a big step up when it comes to power delivery, as the power design is very similar to our higher tier motherboard, the X570 Aorus Ultra. This means that the new B550 Aorus Pro can fully support AMD's Ryzen 3000 series of processors, and even the high-end Ryzen 9 3950X. With this type of power design, you can be confident that this motherboard will allow you to draw the full performance out of any AMD Ryzen CPU. The next feature on this motherboard is the advanced thermal design. The B550 Aorus Pro has the direct touch cooling technology and fins array heatsink, which is found on our higher end X570 platform. With the direct touch heat pipe being able to contact the VRMs, this guarantees great heat dissipation and provides exceptional cooling performance. Fins array technology uses multiple fins on the heatsink to help greatly improve cooling performance. Fins array technology increases the area of heat dissipation by 300% when compared to a traditional heatsink of the same size. With the integration of the advanced thermal design, the B550 Aorus Pro provides a stable platform and optimal temperatures for both gaming and content creation. PCIe Gen 4 is one of the biggest highlights when it comes to this motherboard. It has a full PCIe Gen 4 x16 slot and 2 additional Gen 4 M.2 slots. This makes the B550 Aorus Pro a great option for those of you who are looking for a future-ready platform. PCIe Gen 4 allows you to take full advantage of next-generation SSDs, such as the Aorus NVMe Gen 4 SSD, which offers unprecedented read and write speeds of up to 6,500 megabytes per second or higher. PCIe Gen 4 allows for a seamless gaming experience with lightning-fast data access. When it comes to I/O, the B550 Aorus Pro has you taken care of. This motherboard features a flexible array of USB Type-A and Type-C ports. This gives you plenty of options when it comes to connecting external devices. And when it comes to networking, the B550 Aorus Pro also comes equipped with a next-gen 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN, which ensures a super fast connection for the best possible online gaming experience. If you're looking for the fastest internet speeds on a mid-range motherboard, you won't be disappointed with this. If you're looking for some CPU recommendations to go with this motherboard, we've got you covered. If you're looking for a budget-friendly starter build, we recommend the AMD Ryzen 3 3100 or 3300X. The 4 cores and 8 threads are great for gaming and beginner-friendly content creation. For a more performance-focused build, we recommend any of the Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 processors, as the extra cores will be a huge advantage for your next PC build. With all that being said, we hope that you enjoyed this first look at the new B550 Aorus Pro. If you have any questions about this particular motherboard, please put them in the comments section down below. And if you want to learn more information about this motherboard, you can always visit us on our website. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media. My name is Van, and I'll see you guys on the next one.